Welcome to our tutorial on setting up waiting time in Logistifie Dispatch Software. We'll walk you through configuring waiting time settings for airport and point-to-point trips, ensuring accurate billing and efficient operations. Let's get started. To begin, click on your profile picture next to the notification icon and scroll down to waiting time. Click on Add New and type in waiting time at the top box. In the first table, you'll find the airport waiting time calculation. Here, enter the client hourly rates, driver hourly rates, subcontractor hourly rates, customer free waiting time, client round-off settings, driver free waiting time, driver round-off, subcontractor free waiting time and subcontractor round-off for each vehicle category, from business class to XUV Range Rover. Next, navigate to the second table, point-to-point, non-airport, waiting time calculation. Enter the client hourly rates, driver hourly rates, subcontractor hourly rates, customer free waiting time, client round-off settings, driver free waiting time, driver round-off, subcontractor free waiting time and subcontractor round-off for business class, first class, business van, and XUV Range Rover. Check the box to activate the waiting time and enter the date. You can also deactivate it when necessary by using the deactivation option. After filling in all the details, click Submit. Your waiting time settings will now appear on the waiting time summary table. And that's how you set up waiting time in Logistifie. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.